The Bee's Knees cocktail, a classic prohibition style cocktail made in America in the 1920s and 30s. But was it really? Keep watching and you'll find out. Hey guys, welcome back. So for many years, I've thought that the Bee's Knees cocktail was created in America during Prohibition. They say that the honey and the lemon was used to mask the really bad gin that was being made during Prohibition in those days. However, it's all wrong. In an article in the Standard Union in Brooklyn on the 22nd of April, 1929 said that it was on trend in Paris. It was super popular in women-only bars, and it wasn't until Jared Brown from Sip Smith and also cocktail historian found an article saying that it actually related to an American millionaire who loved to party in Paris. It was apparently created by Mrs. Margaret Brown, who was an American socialite. She was the widow of a famous miner and was also known as the unsinkable Molly Brown. Why was she named that? Because she was actually on the Titanic when it sunk and she survived. Is this the true history of the Bee's Knees? Well, I'll tell you what, I would definitely put my money on Jared Brown, and I'm going to stick with that story. So the first ingredient that it calls for is 60 mils or 2 ounces of a dry gin. I'm going to use the Poor Tom's Sydney Dry Gin. This is a gin that we've had on the back bar here at the 18th Amendment for a while. Beautiful gin. I love to support Australian distilleries, obviously. However, if you can't get this in any of the countries that you're watching from, use a really good quality London dry style. Next up is 22.5 mils or 3/4 of an ounce of freshly squeezed lemon juice. Then 15 mils or half an ounce of a honey syrup, which is just water and honey mixed together. Now that's pretty much the original ingredients. However, when I was reading David Enbury's Fine Art of Mixing Drinks, the 1938 edition, he says to add about 10 mils of an orange juice, freshly squeezed, just for an interesting variation. Let's give it a try, hey? So we're gonna add some ice to that and give it a really good shake. We're then going to fine strain that into a chilled down glass. For my garnish, I'm going to use a lemon twist. Just to release those essential oils over the top of the drink. I'm going to discard this one. That is the Bee's Knees. Okay, so let's give it a try. Yum. The gin's coming through, the lemon juice, that honey. It kind of does feel like something that you would have when you've got a cold. Super easy to drink. The orange juice, yeah, look, it's okay. I don't think it makes the drink any better. I would probably stick to the original recipe without the orange juice, although it's probably filled the glass up a little bit more. Kind of sounds weird. However, when you're trying to get a nice wash line on a cocktail glass, adding that extra 10 mils will help. That's a really good drink. The Poor Tom's is coming through really well. It is a beautiful gin. Yeah, check it out, guys. It's the Bee's Knees. Please like, subscribe. See you again soon on Let's Talk Drinks.